All right, hello class. I'm going to be filming a tutorial as to how to sign up for the powerful photosynthesis. Technology is great when it works, but just as a backup plan, if you get confused on my directions or if anything is amiss for some reason, here is what you're going to do. So if you go to the class stream, eventually you will see a long post that looks like this. It hasn't posted yet because I'm making this in the past. If you click on the Wonderville Kids Learn About Photosynthesis link, it will take you to a place that looks like this. So it is currently locked, so you will need to click sign up here and you'll register. So I'll put all of my information, country. Go ahead and put the United States for me, wherever the heck it is. Jeez, let's type it. Should we do America? What in the world? Stand by, kids. All right, so we are in the United States. That was much harder than it needed to be. And your state is Illinois. Your city, normal. You can just put the city of the school. You don't need to put your phone number. Use your school email address just so you remember the login. Okay. So use your school email address and then create a password. I would recommend using the password for your laptops. And then agree to the terms of service and then click register. Yeah, so for me, I already have an account that's using the same email address, so maybe pretend that once you've registered, it will say, okay, activate your account from Wonderville. And then when you go back to your email, you should end up having an account activation from Wonderville. Once you activate your account, okay, it might take a minute for you to get the email, but eventually you should. So then I'll exit out of this. Then if you go back to this same link, it will prompt you to log in. And I'll just log in using this account. And if it ends up taking you to a place like this, search photosynthesis up here. And you should end up with a tutorial that looks like this. So this is what you want. And you'll click game. You'll click this, and then you'll click start.
Plants are pretty much the most important.
And it should start for you. Now the key here is you have to activate your account in order for this to work. So please follow the instructions exactly the way that they are written. So if you scroll all the way down, what I literally just told you is all typed out right here. So you'll click the link on Classroom, you'll click sign up here, you'll click register. Once you've registered, you will need to go to your email and activate your account. This will open up a tab to click log into the email address and password you chose. Once you're logged in, click the link provided on Classroom again, and it should bring you to the tutorial, and you'll begin the tutorial. If you have any questions, remember I do get emails straight to my phone, so if for some reason it's not working, let me know. If for some reason you do not get an email to activate your account to log in, what I would do is if it works for somebody else in the class, try and socially distance as much as possible, but obtain their login and use their login to complete the tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, and good luck.